Okay, so after you have set up your GitHub app, now we need to add a project. So if you're looking for cheap hosting, then let me introduce Hostinger. Using their virtual private servers, you can host any website, whether that's a PHP, React, Next.js, or MERN-stack website, and using my link in the description below, or by adding referral code is equal to swebdev, then pressing enter, you can get a extra discount, as you can see here, on the prices that are available. And I've made a bunch of different tutorials on how to host your website online using Hostinger, because they not only give you different locations from where to host your website, they also give you all of these applications that you can individually install to manage your hosting. Also different kinds of panels. The easiest one is Deploy in my opinion. And if you just want to manually do everything, then you can install any of these as well. But my personal recommendation would be Deploy to easily just do this. So use the link in the description below to get a 20% discount. When you apply my code like this and choose one of the plans, you will see that you will get an extra 20% discount, okay? And a free domain for 1 year as well, included in this. Or if you want to lessen your plan, you can choose a lesser option as well to decrease the price, okay? And you'll still get a 20% discount, okay? It's also a great way to support the channel as well and put your first website online. Okay, now back to the video. To add our Next.js app, you first need to create a project. So you can call this whatever you want. Let's just call it Next app, something simple. Press enter. And it sets up the production environment. Just click this. Here, click add resource. After this, because you have set up your GitHub, I'm going to use a private repository. If you have a public one, you can use that, but obviously you would keep this private. So choose a private repository, okay? But it depends on what type of repository it is. So mine is private, so I'm just going to click this one. Okay, now just click on the GitHub app so that you can link to it, and select the Next.js repo that you have uploaded. And I've uploaded a simple Next.js app, by the way. Okay, so I'm just going to click on load repository. Okay, so these are the files. Okay, this is like the normal version, but this, and this, these are not in it. Okay, so as you can see, it got the project, okay, and it's telling me that are these the configurations, okay, and you can change the port number according to what port you're going to run your app on, okay. By default it does end up being 3000 for Next.js, but let's say you change that in your app, you have to change this here accordingly. Okay, so mine is going to be running on 3000, so I'm just going to keep that. After that, now the app has been added. Okay, this is the URL, so you have to deploy this first. So I'm just going to click on deploy. Now this is going to take some time, so I'm just going to pause the video and come back. Okay, so now it is running. I'm going to go to the link. This is auto-generated, by the way, so as you can see, it is running. And so I added a API folder to make kind of like a server request. So if I click this, that is working as well. So it built everything by running the build command on its own, and then installing also the Node.js modules, and it just automatically deploys it. So that's the beauty of Coolify. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.